In this video, I will be showing you how to use the custom generation feature in Napkin AI. To get started, I'll click on the new Napkin button in the top left and select blank napkin to build my idea from the ground up. Once the page loads, I'll type, how to build a morning routine, and list my daily habits, like hydration and movement. With my text ready, I'll hover over the block and click the blue spark icon on the left to activate the AI. The suggestions panel opens, showing different ways to visualize my routine. To refine these, I'll click the customization icon to switch the orientation to landscape and set the detail level to summary before hitting apply. Now, the AI provides updated designs. I can also browse categories, so I'll open the process section and select a cycle layout. Once I find a circular diagram I like, I'll click it to add it to my canvas. To personalize it, I'll select a specific segment and use the toolbar to change its color. Finally, I'll click Export Visual in the side menu to save my graphic. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using the custom generation feature in Napkin AI.